Remind you of our sale. It starts today. The financing runs through the 19th on all Brother machines, and the bundles, the extra bundles and rebates goes through June 30th. We do have fantastic prices, floor model prices on all the machines. For instance, we have wonderful bundle on the VM5200 right now on the XJ1 and the XE1. We have our own bundle, and also with Brother you can get a rebate and get a carrying case free with either the XE1 or the XJ1. On the Luminaire, you'll get a 4-piece luggage set, BES Blue software, 24-piece Disney thread, design viewer, and embroidery garden design pack. So you'll get all those items in addition to the fantastic price we have on our floor model.
As you can see, Mary caught me again around the Luminaire. She was just talking about what comes with this thing, and I found this other piece of paper here. Everything that's included in here, all of these specials, that's a bundle package of over $5,000. So when you take the $5,000 and then you link it in with the percentage that you get off for the free financing, you're actually talking on some of these deals she's got going right now, you can have a 60% savings. So you really need to consider this by the 19th. That's why I'm here. I'm double checking the frame size and all that. It's big. So now you can put in almost a whole shirt and put the entire design on it.
So wanted to thank y'all for watching today. We do have fantastic prices, floor model prices on all the machines. So come by and see us.